Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. I know it's been a while since I've done a video, but I've been so very busy. I did receive my Glove Collaborative delivery like last week sometime, but like I said, I've been so busy and I was unable to get a video out to you guys. So today's video is just going to be an unboxing of this month's subscription, and I'm going to do a little cleaning up, and I'm going to be packing up some Easter stuff. Yes guys, Easter stuff. I know it's been weeks since Easter, but I still have Easter decorations up. I'm so embarrassed. So I finally got the time to get all that up, so I want to share that with you guys. So basically this video is going to be a little cleaning and straightening up and packing up some stuff, and I might do some decor. So let's just jump on into the video and get this unboxing done so you can see what I got in this month's subscription. I didn't get too much, but I did want to share it with you guys. And like I said in previous videos, I do like to try different products and items that they have on their website. So I haven't even opened the box, guys, because I was going to wait to do a video so I can open it up on camera, because I wanted to wait and open it up with you guys. So the first item you see is this garden tea towel, and it is so pretty, guys. I love this pattern. I actually got a different towel and the spring edition sink set, but I wanted this design, so I decided to order this. And like I said, it is so pretty. It reminds you of spring, of a garden. And the next item that I got was some disinfectant wipes, and they're from 7th generation, and I got these basically to use around the house just to do some quick cleanups, and you get 50 in the container. So this is my first time trying these out, so I hope they work really well. I'll probably mainly be using these in the bathrooms. The next item is some apple cider vinegar, and I was really shocked to see this on the website. I usually in the morning drink maybe a teaspoon. I don't mix it with water. A lot of people mix it with other liquids, but I just mainly just drink it as it is. So I just got some of that. And I use the apple cider vinegar with weight loss and when you're dieting, so that's what I get that for. And the next item is Method Daily Shower. So this is just a product that you can use in your shower. It cleans without having to rinse. I wouldn't advise you to use this all the time. This is just something you can use, you know, just to do a quick clean of your shower. But items like this, I feel, tend to might build up because you're not rinsing at all. So I guess people would say, well, maybe it comes off in the shower, but I still think, you know, you still need to do a deep cleaning. So this is just something you can just spray real quick and, you know, just give your shower a quick clean until you're able to do that deep cleaning. And the next item, which is the last item, is the Method Wood for Good Daily Clean. And I just got this to use on my formal dining room area and also my eating kitchen table and some other areas in my house that are made of wood, and I use this to clean this with. So I'm gonna see how this works, because I did order some of the one to use on the floor, but I wanted to try this one to see how it would work on my wood furniture. So that's it for everything that I got in this delivery for this month. So we're gonna jump into the cleaning version of this video. Okay, guys.